Hello everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm Danielle LaRocca. I'm here to talk to you. So today in this video we are going to be reviewing and doing a look with the Unicorn Cosmetics Totemic Palette. I'm in a weird mood today. Anyways, this is what it looks like. Very cool and colorful. I have never used this before, and please make sure to check out my other video of me doing an unboxing of Unicorn Cosmetics. It's my first time ordering them. It's my first time using them and trying them out, so I'd really appreciate it if you would watch that video. I'll link it above. So without further ado, let's hop into it. So I am going to do my eyes first since I have never used this palette before, and I am going to be using the Fenty Beauty Eyelid Primer. Also remember to please stay tuned till the very end of the video because I will be giving my final thoughts and I will be doing some swatches. So all of these colors are really pretty, and I think I want to dip into these two shades, the Hummingbird and the Sugar Glider. And then we'll just kind of see what we can come up with. This is the only palette I'm using. There isn't really any transition shades in here, but I think I'm gonna try to use maybe the yellow or the Sugar Glider as a transition shade, or just make sure that everything is blended out really well. So let's get started. This is really like pigmented. Like it's picking it up on camera, but it's like really, it's really bright. Like not on camera too. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna deepen the crease with this color down at the bottom. It's called Aura. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here called Sugar Glider, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Next, I want to take this blue shade up here called Honey Creeper. I think these are all names of butterflies, which it kind of reminds me of a butterfly, this pink look. But we're going to take this dark blue shade and we're going to do our under lash, just going like halfway, because then I want to try the green shade right here and we'll do the inner corner. So those two colors on the bottom lash line. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and I will be right back to show you the finished look. And then I will do swatches of all the colors. Hang tight. Okay everyone, this is the finished look. Oh, I can't turn my neck. I like slept on my neck wrong and it really hurts, but this is the finished look of the Totemic Palette from Unicorn Cosmetics. Hope you enjoyed this video. Now let's get into the swatches. Bam! This is what they look like. So starting with row number 1. You have Monarch, Honey Creeper, and Hummingbird. Moving on to the second row of swatches. The second row is Marwari, Fauna, Geckoda, and Sugar Glider. Then moving on to the last bottom row and the last one. So 1, 2, and 3, those 3 shades. And the last 3, we have Bumblebee, Toucan, and Aura. So overall, I thought this was a really nice palette. I really like the colors. I like how they blended out on my eyes. This Sugar Glider color wasn't as easy to work with as the darker colors, which I find kind of odd because usually darker shades are a little bit more difficult and like streaky. I didn't have that problem with these. I thought they were really nice. I think the colors are really interesting, really bright, super nice, and I am liking how it turned out on my eyes. Didn't really have any fallout except for this dark blue shade, which is understandable. Like I said, darker colors are a little bit harder to make, especially when they have, you know, blues or purples. They tend to have more fallout in my opinion. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you made it all the way through, please give this video a like, and I would love it if you would be part of my family. So please subscribe. You can check out my other videos on the sides, and you can easily subscribe to my channel when my face pops up down below. Hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.